It's Don here from the board. Thanks for coming along and checking out this video. So it's time to draw the winner for our 5,000 subscriber giveaway. It's actually been pretty good. I've had this running for a month and thankfully the 5,000 subscriber count hasn't actually fallen under 5,000 because it goes up and down. So just as a really quick refresh on what is going to be drawn today is a satellite 65 keyboard kit from AE Boards. This is the black kit because that was what people had voted upon in the poll a really long time ago. But what I did forget last time was that thanks to AE Boards and Keyboard Treehouse, I also have some Naevies R2.1. So they've got nylon tops with the POM stem. There's 40 in each pack, and obviously you're going to need more than 40. So there's 2 packs here. And these are 63.5 grams on double spring for that. And I've also got a 100 pack of these ultra high molecular weight polyethylene. Wow, that is a really long name. Tops. So if you want to swap out these nylon to the UHMWPEs, then you can as well, and you'll still have some spares if you want to give them to friends, or trade them to see how they feel like. Because having a POM stem against the polyethylene top compared to the nylon top may give you a different sound profile and feel and experience, and you get to experiment with that. So that is actually what is going to be drawn today. I've used Gleam to actually run the competition, so we're going to have a look at the results over here. I haven't actually drawn it yet, but there was 139 people who actually decided that they wanted to have a look, but only 40 people entered. The really interesting thing here is Gleam has a fraud filter on it, so for whatever reason 11 of you did not meet Gleam's security requirements, and therefore your actions don't count. So while I've got your actual details here in terms of the responses, you'll see it actually comes up as invalid, so it won't include your results for the draw. But thank you very much for the feedback in regards to the content on this channel over the years. It's a bit of a good scatter, people talking about my woodworking kind of stuff with the 40% wrist rest. The intro stuff is one of my oldest but most loved videos with introduction to creating custom keyboards and keycaps. Bit of sound testing stuff, reviews, lots of stuff relating to reviews and my different style of reviews. Doing PCB stuff was somewhere in here as well. Some of those sound samples, ASMRs, were really good. So I'm really glad to see that the spread of content is definitely stuff that people have enjoyed. So I'll continue to try and do what I can, where I can, with whatever I've got that comes my way, be it reviews or crazy builds or designs, and even the stuff I do at the moment in the workshop, the shed. So I am now going to not share the screen so that I can do the draw, because it will actually throw up the email. But then what I'll do is I'll screenshot the winner without their email, put it into a paint window, and then I'll share that, and that way everybody can see and congratulate the end result winner. So let me switch back to the desktop. I'm going to draw the winner. One winner. Repeat winners, well, there's only one winner, so it doesn't really matter. We're going to draw that. And the winner. Okay. Let me do Control Win Cap, and we will grab just their name, and then I can stick it into Paint, Paste, Crop, and then we're going to solid fill that and block out their email, and also the remainder of their surname. Obviously, I've got their email, so I'll be able to contact them as required. But there we go. So now I'm going to hide that. Right, and then we will share the monitor. So congratulations to Wilfred, entry number 28. They do hail from Sydney, so I will be in contact with you very shortly to actually arrange the either pickup, or if I'm going to be sending out this particular board. Pickup is definitely better for me if you're able to get my way, but I did promise that if I needed to, I would ship this. So thank you very much to everybody who has checked out the video. Thank you for everybody who's given me the support over the years to reach 5,000. Honestly, I never expected to get here. 10,000 is probably a distant dream, maybe in another decade, but we will see. Also, thank you very much to AE Boards and Keyboard Treehouse for providing these prizes for me to be able to give away. Much appreciated for your love and support across all these years. So if you're not subscribed to the channel and you want to see this kind of stuff happening, please hit that button, bell button for notifications, comment down below, all the usual stuff. And of course, until next time, happy clacking.